that you come to see me again. Thank you. And I'm thinking I need to check my tea. How much tea in my home? Muchos en mi casa, ¿eh? So let's go to see and check with me the tea en mi casa, okay? Come. I want to show you more of my tea, but it's too heavy. It's just one box of my tea, but it's very heavy. Okay, so we check one box first. What do we have here? Oh, too much. Yeah, we have this one. Okay, I will show you later. Oh, muchos. Okay, later. And we have a many. We also have many. We have others. Oh, here we have oh my god, we have them. And we also have Oh, we also have muchos. Oh, wait, we also have muchos. Here we are. Oh, you see, it's just a little poquito of my tea. And let's see what they are. Oh, I love this tea very much. You can see it's right in Long Feng Xia. It is a place, the name of place is in top of the Sanlin Xi. I will show you in map where is the Sanlin Xi. It's next to Alishan, and it's top of the Sanlin Xi, and it's very good place. And I think when I went there, I feel very terrible because it's very high. You think you are falling down. Oh, so I suggest this tea is Long Feng Xia. So it's high mountain tea. It's very good. And what we have this? Oh, I need to tell you one point, very important. Actually, this tea is Jing Xuan. Jing Xuan is number 12, 12. It's Jing Xuan, but you don't need to see the package. So it means inside is Jing Xuan, but outside you can use any bag. It means inside is good, better than outside. So this is Jing Xuan, not other tea, but you can put anything tea inside. Oh, this is Alishan. For Alishan tea farmer, Miyako made this for me, special package. And oh, we have another mountain, Da Yulin is middle of Taiwan. It's also very famous mountain, high mountain tea. Yeah, we have many high mountain tea. Oh, here is also Alishan, but same in Alishan but different tea plantation. And we have this is Jing Xuan. They are same Jing Xuan. Inside is Jing Xuan. Package is the tea farmer they use any package. And oh, this same I told you, don't see the package because the tea farmer they like to use any package. The is right Alishan pretty koja. No, inside is not. This is we call包Zhong. Yes. If you have a lesson with me before, you know Bao Zhong is very delicious, sweet, very good. Sure, we will have them in future. We will have a Bao Zhong for you. Okay, it's not so much. And oh, is high mountain tea, Alishan high mountain tea. And we also have this one. This is a neighbor of this mountain, and it's very famous here. Yeah. I think all this box. Next box almost high mountain tea. Yeah. This is black tea. Taiwanese black tea. Yeah. Oh, this is Sanlingxi. I told you just now, Sanlingxi. And here is also Sanlingxi, but here is top Sanlingxi. Here is Sanlingxi. And we also have this is Alishan. So we can show many Alishan, but they are in different credential. Tea credential. And this is, oh yes, that's why I told you don't see the package. Inside is better than outside. It's right high mountain tea, but no, we can see here it's Dongding Taiwan Oolong Cha. Dongding, so it's not high mountain tea, it's Dongding Oolong tea. It's also very delicious. And we have a small one. Actually, this is from Alishan, for the contest tea. I keep them. And here is from Lisan. Lisan is never. They are never here. Never. Near here, never. Here's the black tea. The black tea from the Lisan here. It's also for contest. Then we also have some other different tea. This white tea. White tea is special. Long time ago, white tea was only in China, main China, and now even Taiwan they make white tea. Yeah, everybody do how to do the white tea. Yes, and we also have some. Oh, this is not in Taiwan. This is for China, and now very few we can find. It's difficult to find the really 正山小种 is one kind of black tea made in China, and now I told you it's very few to find because they use different wood to burn, so you will have a different smell. It's traditional 正山小种 lap山种. We will try. Don't worry. We will try all tea in future one by one, so you can enjoy our tea here. Okay. Hope you are happy. I'm very happy. Don't forget to come to see me again because we will have another box of my tea. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. See you soon. Let's see the map of Taiwan. And I told you the tea from Alishan, from Sanlingxi, from many places. Where they are? Here, let's find. Okay, you can see. It's Chinese. You need to learn some Chinese. Sanlingxi here. Okay, Sanlingxi here. And I told you the Longfengxia is top, very top. Really top is end of the road, end of the mountain, no any, but it's top of the Sanlingxi here. Okay, then we know everyone know Alishan is here. Alishan, Sanlingxi. And I also told you one place is around here is Lisan and Lisan and 大榆林 and 福寿山. Here is Lisa, is here. It's near the Taichung, but it's very high mountain and very difficult to go there. So here, all mountain. So in Taiwan, we have a lot of high mountain tea. Muchos high mountain there. So you can see where they are. It's okay, you got it?